Hey everyone, if Path of Exile 2 is crashing on you, here are some quick fixes to get back to the game. So first of all, you need to check the system requirements. Make sure your PC meet the minimum requirement of the game. If not, it could be causing crashes. And then you can update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to crashes. Go to your NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest driver for your GPU. And then verify game files. If you're on Steam, right click the game, go to properties and select verify integrity of game files to fix any corrupted files. Then if lower in game settings, try lowering graphics settings like texture, shadows to reduce strain on your system. So, and then close background apps. Try to make sure to close all the background apps and disable overlays. Turn off overlays from apps like Discord or Steam. And then click the game and select run as administrator to ensure it has the right permissions. And if nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Path of Exile 2 to fix any lingering issues. Hopefully this helps. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and like and comment below. Till the next video.